today we're going to do some fun and more mini challenges.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, now this mini challenge is we have to get a sour piece of candy, put it right here, and try to bring it up. First one to eat 5 wins. Come on, let's go.
Ready, set, go. You are out. The winner is Sophia. She got in second place and I'm in no place. Yay.
Okay, our next mini challenge, all we have to do is knock down these cups with this balloon, but we have to blow it up and let it go. And there's 37 cups. I don't know if all of them are going to knock down, but we're going to try our best. Okay, I'm up first. You guys ready?
Go. I'm up next. Here we go. Are you kidding me? All right, now it's my turn. Here I go. No, I get to go. You got 0-2.
Well, that didn't really work out good because no one knocked down. But the next thing is we're just going to have a balloon full of air, and instead of not having it tied, we're just going to try to throw it into the tower. You guys ready? Okay, I'm up next. Out of the 37 cups, I knocked down 12. Now it's Ella's turn. Let's see how she does.
Okay, here it goes. Now it's my second one. I knocked down 19 cups. All right, now it's my turn. Here I go. Okay.
Oh, it's perfect.
I knocked down 18 cups, so the winner is Ella with 19, and you lost
Hello,
12.
darkness, my old friend.
I'm the best.
Okay, our next mini challenge is kind of like the one we did with sour. So the first one to put this cookie in their mouth without touching it and only using your face wins. You guys ready?
No. Bye. Ready, set, go.
Oh, it fell down. I don't think we need to talk about that. So no one won. So I think it's reasonable to say I won. I was closest.
Oh no, you weren't. You cheated. So this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna be sticking notes on me, and whoever gets the most wins. Hey. And they're already doing it on me right now. Steady, go. So don't smack your hold on me. It looks like, I can't tell. Don't cover my eyes, please. I want to see. I want to see. Oh, I can't even tell who's winning because I can't see from this sticky note. You guys can put it on my arms or my legs. Ugh, this one fell.
Oh my gosh. None of
Behind the arm.
The neck. Can you lift your arm a bit up?
Ah, this one fell off. Hands up. Time up, kids.
Okay, count how much
1, 2, 3, 4. So she got 12, she got 27. So the winner is Sophia!